Which brings me to the final point that I have today, which relates to all the folks out there who have to go to work. A few days ago, it might have even been a week ago, I lose track of time, probably like you, I said that we were going to light the State House red in honor of our first responders. It's really beautiful. We light the entire State House, not just the dome, and it's every night. It's red. We chose red because red is historically the color of the Red Cross and first responders. And I said then that if you're out there and you're working, you have to work, when you're driving home from work, I want you to look up at the State House and see that beautiful red State House as a big thank you to you on behalf of a grateful Rhode Island. Now, in this crisis, of course, we're very grateful to our first responders, but there are a lot more heroes out there who have to get up every day and go to work to keep the rest of us safe beyond just first responders. And I want to take a minute to thank each and every one of you. And I think you know who I'm talking to. I'm talking to the bus drivers out there who are afraid. They're in contact with the public every day, but still they get up every day, put their uniform on, do the right thing, and go to work. I'm talking to all of the healthcare workers, CNAs, nurses, therapists, social workers, doctors, everybody in between, custodians. Thank you. You get up every day, and I know you're afraid, because we all are, but you suit up and you get to work. Construction workers who are out there, folks in the grocery stores, people who are driving cars for others. You know, I could go on and on, but the list of people who are essential workers who get up every day and conquer their fear and do the right thing is long. And every single one of you is truly a hero. And by the way, it's not just the people who go to work. It's the mom who's in the house trying to keep it all together. Maybe working a little bit remotely and educating 2 or 3 children, all of whom are any of whom is going stir crazy at any given time. But you're doing it, and the kids are learning. Or, I mean, the list is endless. Maybe you've gone out to get groceries for your elderly neighbor. Maybe you have your list of people you just check in on every day. But the truth of the matter is, if you're hearing me now, and if you're at work, or if you've done something kind to help somebody get through the day, or you're just putting on a brave face, or you're giving somebody a pep talk when they need it, I want you to know you are my partner in this, and together we are carrying Rhode Island through this crisis, a day at a time, a week at a time, a month at a time. And we're doing it. And someday soon, we're going to get back to business as usual. I don't know exactly when, and I know it isn't in a few days, but I do know this. I talk to my fellow governors every day. I look at all the data all around the country. And we're doing about as well as anybody. And the strength and resilience and hopefulness of Rhode Island is what's getting us through. So if you're able to work and if you are well, I need you to keep going to work. It's tough. It's scary at times. Keep yourself safe. Wash your hands. Do not go to work if you're sick. Wear your mask. But if you can work, you're on the front line, and if you're in one of those jobs that you have to work, I need you to keep doing it.